In the previous episodes, we saved the interior and restored the paint, but two pieces were too far gone, the hood and the fender. Today we're giving them the full rebuild, sanding, priming, painting and polishing. This is a big step in the transformation, so stick around cause it's gonna look amazing. We're kicking things off with 400 grit on the air sander. The panel is covered in uneven texture and a ton of scratches, so this is the best way to level everything fast. A little bit of low spots here is totally fine, we'll fix those later. Right now the goal is to knock down all the high spots and level the surface. Now switching to 1000 grit. This will erase all the 400 grit scratches and leave the surface nice and uniform. Alright, sanding's done. Time to mix our two-part primer. 2K primer plus hardener in a 4:1 ratio. Now slowly stir in some 20K thinner until it flows for about 3 seconds when poured from a stick before breaking into drops. Now we're ready for the first coat. Keep your strokes steady and maintain a consistent distance from the panel and you'll get that smooth, professional finish without runs and uneven spots. About 50 minutes have passed and now it's time for the second coat. Medium air pressure and slightly less paint is all we need. Our goal is just to even out the surface, not add extra thickness. This ensures our paint lays down perfectly. After about 12 hours, once the primer is fully cured, we can start wet sanding the panels using 1000 grit sandpaper. Now it's paint time. We mix our white enamel with hardener at a 2:1 ratio and thin it down until we reach that perfect 3 seconds flow. Don't forget to add a little anti-silicone to keep the surface flawless. Begin spraying the base coat using medium paint flow and medium air pressure with nozzle wide open to get a nice even coverage. Alright, let's give the first layer a little time to set. Meanwhile, let's prep our second layer. For this one, we're mixing in half the amount of our base color with clear coat and adding a quarter of hardener. And you're on your way to a flawless top coat. This combo helps us get a smooth, even finish without overdoing the thickness. Just take a look at this shine. After finishing the paint, we need to wait about 3 days for it to fully cure. During this time, it's completely normal for the paint to develop orange peel. Can you see the texture of the paint? Let's fix it. First, we wet sand the painted panels with 1000 grit, then follow up with 2500 grit to remove all the 1000 grit scratches. Surface is even and ready, it's polish time. Using the same combo from the previous episode, 3 drops of cutting polish and 1 drop of finishing polish. Start slow with the rotary, get a feel for it, then dial up the speed for the next pass. The results are perfect, so let's polish both panels. No more orange peel after this combo, but a little final polish makes it shine even more. You have to swap the rotary for an orbital, attach a soft pad, and start the same process with the final polish. The results are absolutely stunning. We're one step closer to finishing this car, but there is still plenty to do. In the next episodes, we'll tackle the smaller details and fix even the tiniest imperfections. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming.